12th question. The following is a balance sheet of A and B at 31st March 2018. Mrs. A's loan, Mrs. B's loan, trade creditors, BP, outstanding expenses AB, and then cash, bank, debtors. You know that debtor you ought to transfer as 30,000 and provision is a liability that you ought to transfer to relation account. Credit side, investment, stock, truck, plant and machinery. B's drawing is given, that will be transferred to the B's capital account. Now half the stock has been sold at 10% less than the book value. This is the amount has been realized. First you have to transfer asset and liability in the realization account. Likewise, 2 debtors 30,000, then 2 investment 10,000, 2 stock 40,000, 2 truck 75,000, 2 plant and machinery 80,000. That has been transferred to the realization account debit side like this. And then on the credit side, provision for doubtful debts 2,000 by Mrs. A's loan, because Mrs. A's loan is like another loan. Don't confuse it with the A's loan account. It is not A's loan account. So it is Mrs. A's loan account, that is like another liability. Mrs. A's loan account for 15,000 by Mrs. B's loan account, definitely it is like another liability. 10,000 by trade creditors, 30,000 by BP, 10,000 by outstanding expenses, 5,000. In this way you will transfer asset and liability and asset on the debit side, liability on the credit side. Now for the relation part, half the stock was sold at 10% less than the book value. So book value has been given in the stock, that is 40,000, and 20,000, that means 20,000 stock was sold at 10% less than the book value. So that is on the 18,000, fine. And then the remaining half was taken over by A at 20% more than the book value. So remaining 20,000 has been taken over by A at 20% more than the book value. So that means that's 24,000, because 20% of 20,000 is definitely 4,000, and that will be added to the value. A has been taken over the stock at 24,000. And you have to show like this: by bank account, stock 18,000. This is 10% less than the book value, and that A's capital account 24,000, that has been taken over by A's capital account 24,000. Now the next, during the course of dissolution of a liability under action for damage was settled at 12,000 against the 10,000 included in the creditors. So this is the liability included in the creditors for 10,000, but that has been settled for 12,000. So this amount is very important for us, because that has been given out of the bank account. So like if you will, when you will show the liabilities, payment of liabilities, then to bank account you have to show bank creditors for 12,000 because there is a 12,000 amount which has been paid for the creditors. So amount you have to show for the creditors, that is 12,000, and that you have to show over there. This is the liability. 10,000 creditors has been settled for 12,000, so that is why the amount which has been given for the bank account, that will be shown over there. To bank account, creditors 12,000. Now asset has been realized as plant and machinery 1 lakh, truck this, and goodwill was sold for rupees 25,000. Goodwill is, although is not given in the balance sheet asset side, but the amount realized out of the goodwill, so that is basically you can say unrecorded asset, so that will be shown in the bank account relation credit side. And bad debts amounted to 5,000, that means out of the debtor 30,000, 25,000 has been realized only because bad debts is amounted to 5,000. Half the investment sold at book value, and investment, half the investment has been sold at book value. And in this way you will show plant 1 lakh, stock 18,000 as per given over there, and now truck 1,20,000, goodwill 25,000, investment 5,000, and debtors 25,000. The whole total of the amount is 2,93,000. This is the bank account which are to show in the bank account also on the debit side, but in relation account on the credit side. So basically profit is to be calculated. Now there you are showing the asset at book value, there you are showing the realized value. So now the profit will itself calculated on the in the relation account. In the same way liabilities are there, and there the amount has been paid for the liability. So while balancing all these, you will get the profit or loss. Here it is given that A is promised to pay off Mrs. A's loan. So A is taking over the liability, took away the half the investment at 10% discount, and he is also taking over the investment also. So here by A's capital account, that has been written by A's capital account 4,500. This is the investment has been taken over 10% discount. So investment has been given in the question 10,000. Half the investment has been taken over by A, that means 5,000 at 10% discount. So you will get the investment at 4,500. 5,000 का 10% निकालोगे तो कितना है 500, so that is 4,500. That has been taken over by A, and there you have to write down investment. And now 2A's capital account 15,000, because A is taking up the liability. So 2A's capital account 15,000, because A's loan account, Mrs. A's loan account is, that has been 15,000. This liability has been taken over by A. Now B's loan account is over there. Nothing has been given for B's loan account. Even then you have to make the payment for B's loan account over there. Mrs. B's loan account will be shown over there as 10,000, and then outstanding expenses 5,000, and then BP, and remaining creditors. So like BP, that has been given 10,000, you will make the payment for 10,000. For creditors 30,000, so 10,000 liability has been given by the amount, by the way of amount giving 12,000 for it, and only 20,000 creditors are left. So 20,000 plus 10,000, that will be shown over there as payment. So BP plus creditor, that will be so some instruction is given regarding the payment for BP. Trade creditors and BP were due on average basis of 1 month after 31st March. So 1 month after 31st March they are due on the average basis, and but were paid immediately on 31st March at 20% discount per annum. So if that the amount has been paid after 1 month, that will be the next different thing. But now that their discount has been given because payment has been made for before 1 month for creditors and BP. For BP you are making the payment of 10,000, and for creditors you are making payment for the 20,000. Total 30,000 payment has been made. Here the discount has been also calculated. Discount received on the payment of creditor 20,000 into 12/100 into 1/12. Why 12/100? This is the discount that has been given because payment has been made before 1 month, and this is the discount that has been enjoyed by the firm because firm had get the payment. Firm had make the payment before 1 month. So this is a 1 month discount. 12. If you make 12/100, that will be for the whole year, and by 1/12 means dividing by 12, you will get the discount for 1 month, and only payment has been made before 1 month. So only 1 month discount will be enjoyed by the firm. So that is 200 on creditors and 100 on BP. Why 20,000 has been taken? Because 10,000 liability of creditor has been paid with the amount of 12,000 that has been given out there. They settle at 12,000 against 10,000 included in the creditors. So that is why the payment has been given. BP plus creditor 29,700, 30,300 has been is a discount for 1 month that has been enjoyed by the firm. So firm will pay only 29,700 on the part of BP and creditors. Now this is the main payment you have to make. Now you have to balance debit and credit side. There is a profit on realization because credit side is more, 86,800, that will be distributed among A and B in equal ratio. Now partners capital account balance has to be transferred. A, B 1,80,000, then realization account profit is there 43,400, 43,400. Now A is taking up the liability of Mrs. A, so that is why par realization account 15,000, and now 2 drawings of B 9,400, that will be on the debit side. Now 2 realization for the stock that has been taken over by A 24,000, and the investment also has been taken over by A, that is 2 realization for investment 4,500. So if the partner is taking up the asset, then that will go to the debit side of partners capital account. Partners are taking up the asset, that means that will decrease their capital account. If they are taking up the liability, that will increase their liability account. Fine. Now after balancing debit and credit side, you will get the A's balance 1,29,900, for B 1,14,000, and your firm has to make the payment out to the bank account, to bank account. Now for 12th question, for preparing the bank account, first you have to show the balance. To balance BD 3,400, and the cash account is also given. As you can see, cash account is also given in the 12th question, that is 4,200, that will be transferred to bank account. In this way, to cash account 4,200, then you are to make the payment by realization 56,700 for the liability, and for A as and B's capital, the balance we get from the capital account 1,29,900, then 1,14,000 for B's capital, and this is the amount realized from the asset, that is 2,23,000, and the total will be that is 3,600 for both the debit and credit. Now 13th question, you are having creditors Mrs. A's loan account, outstanding salary, investment fluctuation fund. Investment is given, so that means this investment fluctuation fund will go to the realization account. Mrs. A's loan account also go to the realization account. Creditors, outstanding salary, they all will go to the realization account credit side. In this way, by creditors, by Mrs. A's loan account, by outstanding salary, by provision for doubtful debts, and by investment fluctuation reserve. Now asset side, bank, BR, stock, debtors, land and building, furniture, typewriter, investment, that will go to the realization account debit side. 2 BR 12,000, 2 BR 12,000, 2 stock 40,000, 2 sundry debtor 40,000, 2 land and building 50,000, then 2 furniture 10,000, 2 typewriter 7,000, 2 investment 30,000. All the asset will be transferred to debit side realization account. Now for the payment, BR were realized at discount of 5%, so you have to deduct 5% from the BR, and debtor were all good, no need to deduct anything from the debtor. Stock realized 32,000, land and building 40% higher than the book value, so add up the 40% value in the land and building. Furniture was sold for 6,000 by auction, and auction commission amounted to 300. So there you have to take the value 6,000 minus 300, that is 5,700. So you have to deduct the any commission that has been given on the sale of the asset. So you have to deduct directly, and you can show 5,700 for the realization of furniture. And typewriter was taken over by A for the agreed valuation of 5,000. So if the partner is taking up of any asset or liability at any value, that value has to be shown in the realization account. Investment was sold in the open market at a price of 25,000, for which a commission of 2% was paid to the broker. So again 25,000, you have to calculate 2% of 25,000, and you have to show the investment after deducting this commission. Creditors agreed to accept 10% less. All other liabilities have paid off at their book value. So first, to make the payment of liability to bank account, creditors at 27,000, that is 10% less. Mrs. A's loan account 20,000, outstanding salary 8,000, that has been given. All the liabilities has been paid off at their book value. If nothing has been given regarding the other liabilities, even then you will make the payment in the same way. So you have to add up all these things, and you will get to bank account 55,000. Now by bank account, you have to show all the assets, BR, debtor, stock, land, furniture, investment. All these value has been given, and you have to add up all these, and you will get the 1,83,600. BR will realize at 5%. You have to deduct 5% discount from BR. Debtors are all good, so book value. Stock realized 32,000, that has been given. Land and building realized at 40% higher than the book value. So you have to add up 40% for the land and building, and then furniture 5,700, investment 24,500. Now typewriter has been taken over by A. So by A's capital account 15, that is 5,000. Basically because typewriter is of agreed valuation of 5,000. And then you have to liability towards the employees, that has been given in the question. Over there, the firm retrenched their employees 3 months before the dissolution of the firm, and firm had to pay 25,000 as compensation, and this liability was not appearing the above balance sheet. So this is the unrecorded liability. So you have to show as a relation account debit side to bank account, like this, to bank account liability towards the employees, that is 25,000. And then you have to make the balance of debit and credit, and you will get the loss on relation account, that is 8,400. For that loss will be transferred to A's capital account, B's capital account, and C's capital account. So you have to write A's capital account, and the same with B's capital account, C's capital account. While preparing the partner's capital account, you have to show by balance BD. This is the balance 60,000, 40,000, 20,000. Then by reserve, that has been given in the question, which is to be distributed among all the partner ABC in their own profit sharing ratio. Now realization account, that is a loss 4,200, 2,800, 1,400, and then this is the typewriter taken over by the asset. Any asset taken over by the partner, that will be shown the debit side, that will decrease the balance of capital. This is the payment which you have to make the ABC after, because how this payment comes, because by adding up the credit side and deducting debit side, you will get 56,800 for A, and B 41,200. This is 20,600. This is the balancing figure, and the payment has been made to the A, B, and C's capital account. Now for preparing bank account, you have to show the balance to balance BD 15,000, and this is the amount realized out of asset, that is 1,83,600. And for making the payment ABC, 56,800, 41,200, 20,600, and then this is the amount which has been paid for the creditors, and this is the last liability which has been paid for the retrenched employees before the dissolution, and this is the liability given over there, 25,000. You can add up all these and show separately also. Then by adding up all the side, you will get 1,98,600, 1,98,600. One thing more I want to tell, that if the partner's loan account taken on the settlement by unrecorded assets, so partner's loan account is given the question, and that has been settled through the unrecorded asset, the entry will be partner's loan account debit to realization account at the value of the asset that has been taken by partner's loan account, or that has been used as a settlement for the partner's loan account.